got this lifetime investment right there. We got Daytona 3-ton low profile long reach jack. And we're gonna go ahead and open it up. Let's go ahead, Hash, go for it. And then check it out. So over here it shows the maximum lift height and extra long profile, long reach frame. So with our cords, you know, it's gonna work really great in the front. So I get the front up really easily and put jacks. And we're gonna go ahead and open this up and I'll show you guys what's completely in it. All right, go for it, bro. Take it off. That's the packaging right there. And oh, this is heavy duty, bro. This is nice. That's the top piece, this is the bottom piece, so yeah, I don't know. Go ahead.
It's on this side right here.
Yeah, it's that side. So click that in. Nice. Take the top piece off only. Got the manual. We don't need it. Oh, they already greased it up, which is good. Alright, I think this is where you gotta take this off over here. When you take this off, this thing will come, this part, when you take this off, I think you have to press on it. Press on it really good, and this thing comes off easily. And this thing comes up. So we'll just take it out for now, out of the box. What we're gonna do right now is take the small screws on the sides. There's 4, 2 on each. Then this plate comes off, and then I'll show you what's there. Alright, so we didn't have to take this off, we just kind of loosen it up a little bit so it moves up, which is really good. So we didn't gotta put the whole, screws back on. So we're gonna take this off right there. Check if there's fluids in it. If not, we're just gonna put a little bit in there. Any type of, like hydraulic oil will do it. So put a little bit of it in there, and then we'll see what happens from there. We'll go for it. Yeah. All right. So we took a screw off of it. It's already have fluid in there. So go ahead, lift it up. So we lift it up to see it if it's there, because you don't want to overfill it. See, it's right there. So we just lift it up a tiny bit. You can see it moving, and we'll go ahead. Put the screw back on, put these screws back on, and then we'll go to taking this thing off. The safety, some kind of pin or whatever.
Safety lock.
Yeah, safety lock, right? We'll put this on here. Alright, so loosen the bolt. It's all the way in. Now it's all the way in. Alright. Wait. And now, as you put like what? A little pressure down? Put a little bit pressure downwards? Yeah. Now put it down. Alright, now you can easily take this out. There, it's out. And let it go. Now you're good to go. To lift it up, we have to make sure before you use it first, you kind of, twist it to the right all the way till it locks in. And then you could make it go up and down for one time. So this way you get the grease going on, so you don't have too much, the whole car on it, the whole weight of the car. Go ahead, bro, you do that. you could use this too, I believe. Yeah. So if you can't reach the car or something is blocking you, just use that.
That shit is fun.
And do more. Let me see how high it goes. Now make it tight. That's how high it goes. That is 2 feet and an inch or something. Yeah, 1/4 of an inch. There we go. And now loosening up, spin it to the left, releases it, comes all the way down. Nice. Yeah, just do it one more time. So the jack points for the cord 10th gen is right here. There's one point right here in the bottom. It's kind of deep there, but I'll show you guys once I jack it up. I'll show you that spot. It's like right in the center of this shield right here, but I'll show it to you once I lift it up. But I'll show you the other sides at least for now. If you want to jack it up from the side, it's right here. under this area. Let's see if I can get there. It's right here. But you know what? I'm gonna jack it up and I'll show you guys. It's easier that way. Alright, so the first jacking point is right there. I'm gonna show it to you. Make sure this thing is all the way down first. So this way you can push it forward, make it tight, twist it to the right so you can start. Where you're gonna go? I'll show you once it's up. I don't know. You go see. And then we'll jack up that spot. I'll show you guys real quick. You see that spot?
Yeah, let me see one more.
Huh? It's like right in the center. After that heat shield. I'll show you once it's up. Look at this, guys. It's high. And he's trying to put a jack stand over there.
Bring it higher. One pump. Bring it one pump. Okay, hold on.
Check. How high it is? You got two bars or three?
I'm on 1, 2, 3, 4 bars.
Can you have another one? Can you pull up a little more?
No, that's it. Because the side twist's in the way.
Alright, I'll put it down slowly. But here, guys, that's the first jacking.
Wait, let me put on the other side.
Jacking point right there. Right when the heat shield finishes. Right there, this whole center piece right here. You can just jack it up from here. And make sure you put 2 jack stands there and the car will stay up. Look, we have a lot of room over here. Look all the way from the bottom. It's a lot of room to play with now. So we're gonna work on the underglows. But showing you guys the jack points right here. Now let me show you guys the other jack point, which is right here. In case you just want to take the wheel off, it's right here. This one, but it's side skirts here, so it's fine. All right, and then one is over there, but the same thing is on the other side as well. Make it short for you. And then one jack point is right here. Right there. Focus in the back, and then finally, total of 6. So the last one is right here. This big piece right here in the middle. That's it. We're gonna jack up the whole car, and then you guys can see how high it goes. If you go higher with this jack, if you want this jack and you don't have it, I'll put a link in the description for it. Quick update, we did go a little higher. Yo, turn off your lights.
They're off?
They're on. I know, guys, the lip is broken. We're gonna replace that, but I'm just showing you guys the jack points right now because we're gonna do some work on the underglows. That's gonna be coming up next video. So we decided to go a bit higher. Look at this. Look how high it goes. It even went higher from before. It could go still higher, but this is plenty for us and comfortable spot.